take a little time today to talk about this Speed Demon Pro. I'm telling you, you know, for a guy that doesn't use bait casters all the time, this is the absolute best bait caster I've ever had. You know, I mean, the settings are very easy to dial in. Very little backlash. I mean, for a guy that, like I say, I don't use bait casters very often, and to be able to use the quality of bait caster here, I mean, the retrieve is crazy. 9-3-1. You know, it's just everything you want and expect out of a bait caster. It's really a joy to use. You know, and for me, that's not always the case with bait casters. But this is my absolute favorite bait caster I've ever had. The grips are absolutely amazing. It's extremely smooth. And you know, when you want to get that fish in, it's going to bring that fish in. So there you have it. You know, if you want to get into what I consider one of the best bait casters out there, and definitely the best I've ever used, get yours today. That's the Speed Demon Pro. That's by KastKing. You can get yours on Amazon.com. And you know what, if you talk to someone, tell Matt sent you. Till then, tight lines, and yeah, we gotta go.